In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for Capcut. This process is straightforward and allows you to create amazing customized videos that reflect your style. Let's dive right in and get you started with creating your own Capcut template. First, head over to your web browser and type in capcut.com. This will be your starting point for everything related to Capcut. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option to create a new project. Click on Create New to begin. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to starting your editing process and setting up a canvas that suits your creative intention. Next, you'll need to choose the canvas for your project. The canvas dictates the format and orientation of your video, so pick something that matches the platform you're designing for, whether it's horizontal for YouTube or vertical for TikTok. After selecting your canvas, you'll want to start uploading your media. Locate and click on the Upload button. This will allow you to bring your chosen video files into Capcut's editor. Once you've clicked Upload File, select the media you want to work with. Simply choose your files and upload them into the project canvas. With your video now uploaded, it is time to add your personal touch. Click on the video that's now inserted into your canvas. This action opens up editing options, letting you tweak and customize to match your desired outcome. Following that, click on Text in the options menu. Adding text is a great way to provide context, subtitles, or even just a creative flair to your video content. Once you've clicked on text, you should then choose Add Body Text. Here you can write whatever it is you want to include in your template, whether it's a quote, a watermark, or instructional overlay. Be thoughtful and align this with the purpose of your video template. After incorporating text, it's time to decorate your template. Go ahead and utilize Capcut's editing tools to bring in effects, transitions, and other elements that enhance the appeal of your video, making sure everything flows smoothly together. When you're happy with how your project looks, it's time to save and duplicate your work. Navigate back to the home page to manage your project files. Ensure you're saving your project in your default workspace. Click on the three dots next to your project and choose Duplicate To. Save the duplicate in your space, and this becomes your working template. Now, with your duplicate set up, you can use this copy as a template for any future projects. With these steps, you've created a versatile and reusable video template in Capcut. You can now return to it again and again, making slight tweaks to fit differing themes or occasions. Enjoy your crafting and happy editing.